Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to customize your different and various keyboard and language settings on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up System Preferences down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that app to open it up. Go ahead and select the keyboard button first if you want to adjust the keyboard settings. So go ahead and select that. So if you want to adjust how quickly the keyboard repeats or delay settings, you can adjust that through here. If you want to adjust the modifier keys, meaning if you want to change the functionality of different keys, you can by selecting that. You can also restore defaults by selecting that option there. Close it there. If you select text, you can adjust by correcting spelling automatically, capitalize words automatically as well. See a couple grammatical options in there. Shortcuts, again, you can kind of go through this on your own. This stuff's less permanent. The input sources, so if you're using a non-standard Western keyboard, you may need to add it in here and then add a custom keyboard. So again, pretty much any keyboard in the world that be used or manufactured should be somewhere in this list. So pretty straightforward. And dictation, you can see that here as well. So if you have Siri connected, you can adjust that as well and see what language it's currently being used to recognize such language. And if we were to go back, now we're ready to look at the language settings. So go ahead and select the language and region button. At this point on the left side underneath preferred language, you can select the plus button to add a new language here. So it gives you plenty of options to choose from. You go ahead and just select it from the list and then select add. Again, there's hundreds in here, I believe, or at least there should be at least 100. When I said hundreds, I'm not sure if there's hundreds, but there should probably be at least about 100, I would guess. It will ask would you like to use whatever your language you're selecting here as your primary language. Go ahead and select that from the option here, should be the top one. Unless you just want to have an extra language, you can always still use it as not your default and just select the second option here, which doesn't change your default language but will install the language as a language option you have. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.